We wanted to make sure that we really got a good primer on how important discovering all your data is in making this process work successfully.
In LightBeam, what that means is really having a full inspection of the content itself. You're actually scanning through and detecting data in every type of file that's possible. So PDFs, image files, document files. There could be spreadsheets, presentations, and slide decks where there may be sensitive data or even proprietary data as well. When it comes to records retention, a very simple example could be organizations have HR teams who are storing resumes of candidates. Now, these resumes could belong to people who were hired. They can also belong to people who could not make that cut. Retention for each of these categories could be different. As you may store the person who was hired for a longer time versus for somebody else who was not hired could be a shorter duration. And then what do you do when it is an ex-employee as well? Having this context of whether there are resumes in the system and a tool that automatically goes and detects all the resumes and classifies them is something that is important. And lastly, being able to do this across a variety of data sources. SharePoint, OneDrive, your ticketing apps like the semi-structured data sources, ServiceNow and Jira. All of these are important ones, and LightBeam scans and makes sure that it can help with data retention across the board.